So I started working on this bastard. Not real happy with the wheels and tyres, they're alright, but I can do better than that. We've added the flashing yellow light on top, but now I've got to do something about those wheels and tyres. This is what I come up with. They're 1-inch wheels, deep dish, and whatever tyres they are, I reckon they're pretty much a bit on the small side if anything, but definitely look square and more like a truck tyre. Much better. So I've got them on this side. I have to order some more to finish this off, and I'll put some brass. Get in there. No, you can't see it. There you go. Put brass hex adapters there too, and down the back as well.